Hey everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Hope you guys had a great weekend and hope you guys are ready to trade this week. All right, welcome everyone, welcome. Hey Simon, welcome Simon, welcome. Hey Taj, welcome Taj, welcome. All right guys, this evening we're going to focus on Forex. All right, but we will take a look at big picture. All right, so that is important to see how these markets are looking. All right. So, big picture this evening, and we'll start right here. All right. With Monster Systems Tracker. Okay. But first off, let's go here. And the Dow, guys, the Dow. Now we'll focus more on equities tomorrow, but just know Dow big picture, weekly time frame holding, buy signal, S&P, right? Weekly time frame holding buy signal. NASDAQ holding its buy signal. Russell, same thing on both the weekly and monthly. Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin is at 62,000. As we've talked about with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin needs to stay above 64,000, right? To become bullish again. All right. So buy signal all the way down here on the weekly, but we would not have traded it on the weekly. Most important thing is to go long Bitcoin. We need to hold above 64,000. Okay. And we will take a look at Bitcoin on the daily time frame this evening. Okay. Dollar index holding. All right. Pound yen. Hold on. All right. Pound yen trading all-time highs on pound yen on the weekly. And here's the monthly time frame. Okay. So hopefully we get continued, all right, bullishness, price action moving higher for the new month. All right. When it starts tomorrow. All right. So guys, do not give up on pound yen. So any pullbacks, do not short. We can't short this, okay? So any pullback will be an opportunity to go long. All right. All right. So let's take a look at our tracking systems. All right. So in Monster Futures, we do have a new buy signal. Now, currently the dollar is down. We can see that here. E-mean is up. But over here, we've got a new buy signal on the dollar index, okay, on the dollar index. So we started taking some long positions in the dollar pairs, still waiting for a break, all right? So just keep that in mind. The best trade right now, definitely the yen. But if the yen starts to close, we could see where the dollar starts to give some decent moves up, but we need the dollar index right here, guys, to break higher above resistance. Okay, so we do have sellers here, and that price is right at 105. So a dollar, 105 for the dollar. All right, sellers are here, sitting right here, and believe it or not, right here. So we do have a buy signal. We need the dollar index to move higher. And we have been getting higher lows. So right here, right here, right here. So we could see price have been moving higher, but currently we need to break through resistance right here. Okay, so just be aware of that. And good news is that we do have a buy signal on the dollar index on the daily time frame. All right. All right. Forex dominator. I'm sorry. Forex Monster Forex tracker. Okay. Keep an eye on your volatility this week. All right. So we have reduced volatility on the daily time frame. So here we've got about, what's that? I would say 50% volatility. So about halfway there on the daily time frame, about the same on the 240. We do have more volatility on the 60-minute. All right, so we've got more movement on the 60-minute. Yen pairs, look here, holding firm. All right, so buying is on the 60 in the yen pairs and on the 240 and on the daily. All right. Selling is coming in the dollar pairs so far. All right. Like I said, we do have a buy signal though. So keep that in mind. All right. That could change. All right. This can turn blue. All right. But right now, we've got some selling on the 60-minute, mixed on the 240 and mixed on the daily. All right. Aussie pairs, Aussie, Kiwi, and New Zealand, or New Zealand, Aussie, and New Zealand pairs. Buyers are coming in on that 60-minute time frame. And right now, you guys can see right here, New Zealand, all right, New Zealand, Aussie up right now. We might look for some opportunities in Monster Scalper with these pairs right here. All right. So let's take a look at current positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. All right, 60-minute time frame. All right, pound yen, guys. Pound yen closed its previous trade. All right, holding a current trade to go long in pound yen. All right, so buy signal here. All right, buy signal. I'm sorry, wait a second now. All right, no, we did not call this buy signal. So the previous trade was right here. All right, this trade here came in on Friday. We did not call the yen trade on Friday. So let's remove this. And we'll look for new opportunities this evening. So we'll remove it for now, but we might call this evening. So pound yen, close that trade for now. Okay. All right, USD CHF dollar Swiss buy signal was here on a break of this resistance. Previous resistance becomes support. Sell signal, close the trade, please. All right. If it does break resistance again and give another buy signal, we might call that. All right. So resistance is here, might break through, give another buy signal, but so far close the trade. So dollar Swiss, close the trade, please. Dollar CAD, close that trade. Buy signal here. Sellers came in. Red candle here. Close the trade. Do not wait, guys, for that sell signal. White arrow right here. Close. First red candle. Close the trade. So dollar CAD, close the trade. All right. Same thing. USD CZK. Buy signal here. Broke support. Red candle right here. Close the trade. Get out quickly. Do not wait for these sell signals. Okay, get out on your first red candle. I done dollars are okay. Buy signal here. Big candle came in. Close the trade. All right. So, right, we were hoping for the dollar index to break, guys, to the upside. That trade failed. All right. So, just hold off for now. We'll see what is going on this evening. Okay. On the 240. So Monster Scalper, long positions on the 240. We still do not have any shorts. All right. All right. Euro yen still holding its long trade. Great trade going here. As a matter of fact, gapped up this evening. All right. It gapped up here. Big candle here. Great trade. Euro yen. For how many pips is that? That's about 270 pips. So great trade going here in euro yen. All right. So euro yen looks good. New Zealand yen. All right. Buy signal here. Great trade going here. Currently breaking resistance. Look at that. So we got good resistance here and we're breaking resistance. Buy signals here. All right. Moving up nicely here. A little over 100 pips. Okay. So New Zealand yen. You guys notice we have a lot of yen pairs here. Aussie yen. All right. Buy signal all the way down here, guys. All right. 10 was that 104.80. All right. Trading, breaking resistance right here. Near-term resistance, breaking that purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on that. Purple support and resistance. But breaking out right here. That's a little over 200 pips. So great trade here. Aussie yen in monster scalper. All right. SGD JPY, another good trade, guys. We've been talking about this. The yen pairs, that's where we should be. All right. Hasn't given up yet. SGD JPY, buy signal all the way down here. All right. For about 230 pips. Okay. Broke resistance right here. Big candle came in today, holding right here. All right. SGD JPY. Pound yen. Pound yen buy signal here, holding. We need pound yen to break through this resistance. Right here. Buy signal was right here on a break of this resistance, holding firm. Look here. All yellow support and resistance. That's very bullish. Okay. If you guys got in on the buy signal here, if it breaks this resistance and close above resistance here, that might be an area to add to your position. Okay. HKDJPY. HKDJPY, another good trade. Buy signal here, got out on this red candle, got back in right about here. Great trade going. All yellow support and resistance line. Let's move this up here. We need to get past, let's call this the high right here. All green candles, nothing to do. Let the trade run. Okay. Dollar yen. All right, USD JPY buy signal was right here, guys, on a break of this resistance. Right, did a really good job passing, getting past sellers here. See, sellers are here. See where they are? Sellers are here. Sellers are here. Sellers are here. Right here. Finally broke through. Right, all green. All right, so we moving up nicely here. Looking to continue to move higher with a break of resistance right here. So USD JPY doing well. Swiss yen. Guys, buy signal all the way down here. This is for about, what's that, 700 pips. Okay, keep an eye on Swiss yen. All right, resistance is here. And we do have good resistance here, guys. We can actually count. So here is resistance. Here is resistance, and all of this here. We do have a white candle right here. It's hard to see right here. All right. So this is on the open of today. Market opened at 5 p.m. All right. So white candle here. What we need to see, buyers come back in. When this candle close, every candle here is 4 hours or 240 minutes of trading data. We need buyers to just hold green candle and then break to the upside. Okay. All right. But great trade going there. If you got in here, good job. Just continue to hold. We need to get past resistance here. If it gives a red candle or sell signal, hey, get out, take profits. Okay. NZD, AUD, NZD. All right. Buy signal here. Nice push higher. Retrace the bit. Buy signal here. Let's look at the targets on this one here. All right. So first target was here. Second target was here. So it's gotten through its second target. Keep an eye on it. If you get I would say even a white candle, really pay attention. You might just want to scale out. Okay. If you scaled in. All right. But even with a white candle, you might wait a bit because the Aussie pairs will move with the yen pairs. And we are seeing buying in these Aussie and Kiwi pairs. So keep an eye on it. Definitely you get a red candle, sell, get out. Again, we've got, right, here's the second target, and we do have a lot of resistance right here. Okay, so be aware of that. Dollar Swiss, still early in the dollar pairs, guys. Just remember that. All right. Still early in the dollar pair, so I wouldn't go in heavy. All right, just get in slowly in the dollar pairs. If these yen pairs, right, start selling, giving sell signals, then we'll see the dollar pairs move higher. So this could be the beginning of a new rotation in the dollar pair. So don't expect too much, right, yet in the dollar pair. Still early, right? Like I said, the dollar index, right, buy signal here, it's trying to break through that resistance. Okay, but it could hang around here for a while. You guys know that. Okay, so just be aware. Don't go in too heavy on the dollar pair. So USD CHF, dollar Swiss, Buy signal here, moving up nicely, all green candles. All right. Good markdown phase, target all the way up here. All right. USD, CNH, buy signal here, just holding. We need to break through that resistance. USD, SGD, buy signal here, bit of a pullback. Keep an eye on this one here. Target is here, very choppy. All right. Very, very, very choppy. So if you're trading USD, SGD, reduce your capital. All right. Pay attention to this trade. A lot of consolidation in here. Look at this. A lot of consolidation in here. All right. Very, very choppy trading. We shouldn't even have this on here, but it is a dollar pair. It could, if it can get past this resistance right here, this consolidation in here, all of that nonsense in here, it could move higher. All right. But that's not your best opportunity. Okay. USD and OK. Right. Holding. Right. We have a lot of sellers here. Sellers are sitting here, right in here, right here. Buy signal here. It's holding so far, but we got to get past sellers here. And this one doesn't have a bad markdown phase. All right, really good markdown phase. That's your discount. Buy signal. We need buyers to come on back in and test the resistance all the way up here. Again, it's a dollar pair, might struggle a bit. All right, but again, the dollar index breaks through that resistance, right? These pairs will follow here. Okay. USD and OK. And USD SEK. Gap down today, this evening. Decent markdown phase. Let's draw it out. All right. Don't be like me. Always drawing your trend lines, guys. Especially our new traders. All right, so buy signal here, gap down, still holding though. All right, we need buyers to come on back. All right, we have a white candle here, and target is all the way up here. And again, we're relying on that dollar index to break out. Okay. All right, dollar ZAR. All right, dollar ZAR, guys, nothing we can do about that. All right, so buy signal was here. Broke support, red candle, sell signal. So it gapped down at the open today. That's not good. Okay. So just close the trade, guys. Okay. Now it gapped down and now it retraced up here. Okay. But look, red candle here. It can certainly move lower, close the trade. All right. That's the only thing with holding this trade sometimes on the 240. Right, over the weekend, this can happen. I mean, we love it if they gap up, but boy, if we're long and they gap down, that's not good. Okay, but nothing we can do about that. Close the trade. All right. So those are the trades in Monster Scalper longs. Let's take a look at Forex Dominator on the daily time frame, and we do have some yen pairs on the daily. All right, so New Zealand yen on the daily time frame in Monster Scalper, guys. Great trade. I'm sorry, in Forex Dominator. Buy signal here. Look at these, all green candles, and clearly in the markup phase. Look at this, higher highs, higher lows, good price action. All right, USD, JPY, New Zealand yen in Forex Dominator. And we have a few. Aussie yen, look at this, guys. Lots of pips here. All right, this one is for about 700 pips. So buy signal here, good price action, moving higher here. Higher lows, higher highs, good price action. Aussie yen, SGD, JPY, that's your Singapore dollar yen. Another great trade. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. This is for about 600 pips, guys. Okay. Buy signal here, moving up nicely on the daily time frame. So let them run. Pound yen. All right. Pound yen. Same thing. Buy signal here. All right, 188. That's for about 500 pips. Good price action, moving up nicely. HKD JPY buy signal holding firm. Dollar yen, great trades going here. Dollar yen buy signal here, moving up nicely. Swiss yen, all right, Swiss yen buy signal here. All right, keep an eye on Swiss yen. It's gone up quite a bit. We don't have new support and resistance lines here. This is for about almost 800 pips, guys. So buy signal here, holding. We need to get new support and resistance lines in this trade. Okay, Swiss yen. And even on the 240, great trade in Swiss yen. All right, USD CNH. So your dollar pairs in Forex. Dominator buy signal here, that's holding. USD MXN buy signal here, that's holding. Keep an eye on it, guys. It's got resistance right here. And so far, it is struggling to hold this level right here. Okay, so keep an eye on it. We have support right here, just like about right here. If it gets down to that support area, we could get a sell signal like we did here. Okay, so buy signal here. I would say if it gets down anywhere in this area, give you a white candle, just close the trade. Okay, protect your profits there. All right. USD HUF. All right, really struggling at resistance. All right, so we have a lot of resistance here. Look here. So right here, guys, right here, and then here we are right here. So keep an eye on that. Buy signal here. We need buyers to come on back in. Okay, if you get a white candle, this is one you might want to close on a white candle. All right, because look what has happened before. All right, look here. See here, white candle, sellers came in heavy. White candles, sellers came in heavy. All right, so we have a lot of resistance right here, right here. So traders are watching that level right there. Look here, resistance right here, same area. White candles, sellers came in heavy there. And then same thing here. All right, so here we are. All right, just always be aware of these where these sellers are sitting. So it's not a surprise. All right. So buy signal here. Here we are. You get a white candle here. Close the trade. Okay. We've got to get back above resistance to see USD HUF move higher. Okay. All right. All right. So that's it for Forex dominate. Those are current positions. Equities, we'll take a look at these tomorrow when the equity markets open. Let's take a quick look at Monster Scalper. We'll look for new opportunities. Okay, let's see here. So new opportunities in Monster Scalper. Let's find. And we'll look for Forex Dominator also. And the US 30. All right, futures. All right, so Monster Scalper right here. All right. All right, so we don't have any longs, no shorts in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, so let's go through. All right, our Monster Scalper traders will send these out. This, if we find any picks, we'll send these out to you guys. Okay. All right, so we can see here buying is coming in. We know about the yen pairs, right? So Aussie and Kiwi. So this is good, guys. This is what we want to see. We want to see buying in here. All right, the Aussie, Kiwi, and yen pairs. That's the Asian market, which is right now opening right now. And then we want to see, ideally, we would like to see, right, the dollar pairs, euro pairs go down. But for right now, let's stick with the Aussie, Kiwi, and yen pair. So let's go through these. So we're looking for fresh new buy signals on the 60-minute time frame. Aussie New Zealand, Aussie Swiss. Let's Aussie Swiss has a buy signal. All right, has a buy signal right here, guys, on a break of resistance. It looks good. We do have purple support and resistance here. All right, on the daily time frame, our foundational time frame, we've got buyers coming in on the daily. That's good. All right, so we have direction on Aussie Swiss. So we'll go ahead and call that. All right, now buy signal is here. It hasn't gone too far. Okay, so it's still fairly close to the buy signal. Only concern, we have a purple support and resistance. So it's a bit under pressure there. So AUD, all right, CHF. Long in monster scalper, 60-minute. Okay. Aussie CAD. Wait for Aussie CAD. We've got to get past, I would say we got to get past resistance right here. Okay. New Zealand dollar, nothing there. All right, New Zealand Swiss. So look here, Aussie Swiss, look. So Aussie Swiss moving higher, and then New Zealand Swiss. Okay, buy signal here. Nice break of resistance. Now we don't have green candles on the daily, but we do have white candles. We'll take that. Okay. That could be a bullish sign if we get some buyers to come on in. And what we're hoping for, you guys see this move right here, right? You see red candles, then white candles, then buyers came in. Red candles, right? White candles, green candles. Same thing here. Red candles, white candles, red candles, white candles. All right. We should get some green candles here. So New Zealand Swiss on the 60-minute time frame, and we are breaking resistance here. Good markdown phase here, and we are getting past sellers territory, which is right here. All right, so it's breaking through that resistance, a decent support and resistance right here. So make sure, guys, you draw in your support and resistance line. All right, so it's getting past this area here. That's considered a reaccumulation buy signal here, and it's moving higher right here. All right, so NZD CHF long in monster scalper 60-minute time frame there. Okay, so a couple of good trades so far. CAD, New Zealand CAD, nothing yet. Wait for it. Okay. ZAR Yen, guys, on the daily. All right, we've got buy signal. Look at this. Buyers are on the daily. Buy signal, break of resistance, reaccumulation, gapped up today. That's strong. All right, we just hope it doesn't fill in that gap. Okay, so it's breaking through resistance, buy signal here, gapped up. We're going to call it ZAR Yen. And we know that the yen pairs, guys, that's your number one trade. No exception. That is your number one trade right now in Forex, the yen pairs. Okay. So we want to stay with them as long as they keep moving higher. All right. So ZAR Yen long in monster scalper 60-minute time frame. Okay. Let's keep going. Right. Dollar yen. Wait for dollar yen, guys, on the daily. Look here. Look at the buying on the daily. Look at that trend. Okay. Clearly in the markup phase. Previous trades have done okay. All right. Don't go short. Just wait for the next buy signal. Okay. So that should come in right about this area here. So wait for it. All right. SGD JPY buy signal here. It's holding. We're going to add it. All right. Daily looks good. Look at the daily here. That's your trend. We need to trade in the direction of the overall trend. Do not trade counter trend, no counter trend trading. Okay, it's trade. That's your easiest trade. That's your best trade in the direction of the overall trend. Okay, so SGD JPY buy signal here. Need to break through that resistance right here. Okay, so we'll add that SGD JPY long in monster scalper 60-minute time frame. Okay, all right, let's keep going. We have a few here. All right, New Zealand yen. Look at your daily. All right, see here, buyers are on their daily. No red candles on the daily. This is good. All right, so buy signal here. Good price action. All green candles keeps, look at that. Every candle, guys, keep moving high. Keeps moving higher. Why not take advantage of the move, right? All right. On the 60 on the daily buy signal here, we are moving higher. We're breaking through a purple support and resistance, and we are getting past sellers here, past all of this consolidation in here. Okay. So we're breaking out New Zealand yen, NZD, JPY, and we have the overall big macro. All right, big macro, big picture on our side. NZD, JPY. If it fails, right, you guys know if it fails, just close the trade and wait for the next setup in this one or look for other opportunities. Okay, no big deal. HKD, JPY, just wait for the next trade. Look at this. Look at that moves. Okay, don't predict that it's gone up too high because they can keep going higher. They can keep going higher. So follow the trend. Don't short. Wait for the next buy signal on HKD JPY. That buy signal will come in right about here, guys. So draw in your lines. So resistance is here. And it's a good habit to go ahead and bring in your line so that you can anticipate. Don't trade before you get your signals. Just wait, right? Wait here. Look at that. It's hug. All those buyers are sitting right here, waiting to break through that resistance, and you'll get a new buy signal. Okay. HKD JPY hold for now. Pound yen. All right. Just amazing trading, guys, with pound yen. We don't even need this anymore. Look at on the daily time frame, look at that buying in pound yen. Okay, look at all that buying. At some point, hey, we'll get sell signals, but not right now, not on that daily time frame. Okay, so buy signal here holding, and we're looking to break through resistance right here. New buy signal here. Okay, so JBP. GBP, JPY, long in monster scalper. We've got some trades, guys. All right, and that's perfect setup right here. All right, perfect setup. Nice. Look at it. Nice trade in here. All right, profitable trade here. Profitable trade here. Hopefully this one breaks out. And again, big picture, big macro. Look at that there. Okay. All right. Euro yen, same thing. We have a new buy signal on the daily. Look at that. Breaking resistance here. Yen pairs, guys. Yen pairs. No surprise. I've heard from a few of you guys. You've talked about the opportunities you've had in these yen pairs. Great job staying with them. Okay. All right. So great buying in euro yen. Buy signal here, gapped up, holding. Purple support and resistance. Just keep that in mind. That might slow the trade down a bit. But just like here, right? Purple support and resistance, got past it. All right. Pass it here. But just be careful here. Okay. Euro yen. EURJPY. Euro yen. Long in monster scalper 60-minute time frame. Okay. All right. Swiss yen, nothing there. CAD yen. All right. You can't trade all of them. Just find your spot. Okay. CAD yen. Find your spot. All right. Moving up nicely here. CAD yen. All right. Buy signal here holding again purple support and resistance. Keep that in mind. Right here, we've got higher lows moving up, right? Moving up. We need to get past the high right here. Okay, so let's bring this right here. All right, CAD yen. CADJPY. Okay. Long in monster scalper 60 minute. All right. Aussie yen. All right. Aussie yen, same thing, guys. All right. Purple support and resistance. Again, be aware of that. Buy signal came in right here on a break of resistance. If you guys are not watching your support and resistance areas, you're doing something wrong. All right. Do not sell. Do not go short at resistance. All right. We want to be buying at resistance. All right. These trades are absolutely moving higher in the markup phase. All right. So here's your daily as an example. That's your daily time frame. All right. Here is your weekly time frame. Look at that. Do not short these. And then here's the monthly time frame. All right. Nothing but up. All right. So I can't stress that enough. If they give you a sell signal, wait for the next buy. So Aussie yen, follow the process, follow the trend. Aussie yen long, AUD, JPY long in monster scalper, 60 minutes. Okay, so we've got what? Nine trades, two Aussie, one Aussie, one Kiwi, and 7 yen pairs. Okay. Let's see here. Shorts. I wouldn't short the dollar, guys. We'll take a look at this, but these dollar pairs right here, don't short these. All right, just let them do their thing. Okay, don't no shorts here. You know the dollar index. We looked at the dollar index, right? And the dollar index is has a buy signal and it's holding right at resistance. So if it breaks that resistance, these shorts will not work. Okay, so just hold off on these euro pairs. Let's take a quick look on these euro pairs. See if we have anything here. Nothing here. Like I said, your best trade are these yen pairs. That's your trade. Nothing here with the euro pairs. Okay. And pound pairs, that's mixed. Okay, so nothing here. So here it is, guys. This is it. This is your opportunity right here. Okay, this is your opportunity. All right. So that's on the 60 minute. Let's take a look at the 240. And we do have more yen pairs on the 240. Let's see if we can find any. We're in Aussie, New Zealand right now. All right, let's take a look. Aussie dollar, nothing here. All right, Aussie Swiss. Oh, we missed Aussie Swiss. Buy signal here. Great trade going here too, guys. Too late to get in, but look at this. Beautiful setup. Good markdown phase. Target all the way up here. Nice trade here. Aussie Swiss. Aussie CAD, nothing here. So the Swiss pairs are moving. Let's see if we can find anything with New Zealand Swiss. All right, New Zealand Swiss. So we miss Aussie Swiss, but New Zealand Swiss, look at it. All right, just like the 60 minute with New Zealand Swiss or Kiwi Swiss. All right, good markdown phase. Look at the previous trades, guys. Really good trade here. Took a small loss here, but great profitable trade. Good markdown phase. And look at these trades set up. Who was it? Send me a message on this. I think Yoki was looking at the Kiwi pairs. All right. So buy signal here on a break of resistance. Resistance is right here, guys. Look at that buy signal here. All right, this one failed, but again, hopefully this one works out. Target is all the way up here on the 240. So NZD CHF long in monster scalper 240, 240-minute time frame. Guys, you notice no shorts, no shorts. Look at this, no shorts. Okay. All right. NZD CHF. So let's take a look at the yen pairs now. So ZAR yen, we're not in ZAR yen on the 240. We're going to add ZAR yen. Okay. On this, let's see here. Daily time frame, buy signal, breaking resistance on the daily time frame. 240, buy signal here, breaking resistance right here. Good setup here, guys. So ZAR yen, ZARJPY long in monster scalper 240. These yen pairs, guys. All right, dollar yen, we're in that already. SGD JPY, we're in that already. Most of these we're in. NZD JPY, we're in that already. HKD JPY, we're in that already. Pound yen, we're in that already on the 240. We're looking for new opportunities. Euro yen, we're in that already. Look at that gapping up there. Swiss yen, we're in that already. Great trade going there. CAD yen, are we in CAD yen? No, we're not in CAD yen. Let's see here. All right, CAD yen. All right, we missed CAD yen. So this was one of the ones we missed. CAD yen, great trade going here. Buy signal here, but can't get into all of them, guys. Can't call them all. Aussie yen, and we missed Aussie yen too. Okay, but all the others, good trades. All right, Aussie yen looks really, really good. Watch Aussie yen. Did we call Aussie yen? Yeah, we called it on the 60-minute. Okay, so great trade. So great trade on the 240. Great trade on the daily, and we have a buy signal on the 60. So if you missed it on the 240, all right, you can get on it on the 60-minute time frame. All right, we leave the dollar pairs for now. Nothing there. Okay. Forex dominator. How much time do we have? Okay, we're right on time, but 12 more minutes will be done. 10, 12 minutes. So Forex dominator. Let's go through those long positions. We're looking for new positions. Look at these guys. Look at the yen pairs here. All right, see what they're doing. So Aussie, New Zealand, waiting for a buy signal here. Let's take a look at Swiss, Aussie, Swiss. All right, Aussie, Swiss. We know what's going on with the Swiss. Just waiting for a buy signal. Keep an eye on this. Our Forex dominator traders. All right, keep an eye on Aussie, Swiss for a buy signal there. All right, Aussie dollar, nothing there. All right, most of these yen pairs we've called already. All right, so Aussie yen, we're in that already. What's that? CAD yen. All right, that's gone. Excuse me. Swiss yen, we're in that one. Which one is that? Euro yen. Yeah, Euro yen. Let's call Euro yen. Okay. On the daily time frame, guys, this has a glare. Looks good on the daily. Look at that price action on the daily. And then here we are on the on the weekly. This is on the weekly. Weekly here. And then on the daily, Forex dominator buy signal here, and it's breaking out. Okay. Look at the previous trades. Great trades. So euro, yen, EUR, JPY, long in Forex dominator 240. Okay. That's gone. We're in that one. New Zealand yen, we're in New Zealand yen. That's gone. Amazing trades, guys. SGD, that's gone. We're in that one. TRY, wait on TRY. We normally don't trade TRY, but looks like it's got a good setup coming in. USD JPY, we're in that already. And then Aussie yen. Are we in Aussie yen? Aussie yen, we're in Aussie yen already. Okay. Let's see. USD CNH, we're in that already. I would wait on. We'll keep a close eye on the dollar pairs. USD MXN, we're in that already. Don't want to go too heavy on these dollar pairs yet. Okay. USD SGD has a buy signal. I would wait for, like I said, the dollar index to shape up. We got buyers coming in on the weekly, but still early. All right, guys. So we have tons of opportunities on the 60-minute, a few on the 240. Quick look at our Monster US traders, Monster US 30 traders, nothing, guys, nothing here. All right, so just wait. We'll let you guys know. All right, nothing here. On the NAS, that's long or short. NAS 100, don't do any shorts unless you're going to go very small time frame. Okay, otherwise, just wait for the next buy signal. The overall trend on the daily is up. Okay. All right. And then the S&P 500. All right. What we need to see, buyers come back in. The overall trend is up. So we need buy signals there. Okay, guys. All right. So we have some good opportunities in Monster Scalper. All right. Both on the 60 and the 240. All right. Only one trade in Forex dominator, but boy, good price action in the yen pairs. Okay, so good trading this week. All right, we do have data coming out. I think in Europe they've got elections, so that might move the market. As far as the U.S., right, the New York session, we've got data coming out Monday morning at 10 a.m. So just be aware of that, especially our US 30. Our e-mini traders. Okay, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for coming. A lot of good trading in the yen pairs. All right, stay with them. If they change, guys, they get you on, just get out, take your small loss, and just wait for the next opportunity. Okay, take care. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.